Yeah, good morning, everyone. So we had seen after a good run on Friday, yesterday market in the US were cooling off. Even in the futures of the US market are a bit soft, and Asian markets are also trending negative. This is mainly driven by recent up move, and then we are seeing some up move in the oil prices and other commodity, which is bringing back the concern on the inflation side. Oil has moved up from around 111 to 113 yesterday, and now again to $116.5. So that is putting some pressure on inflation concerns. And apart from that, even today, aluminum is up by around 1%, copper 1%, iron ore is 1% up, and steel is up by around 0.5%. So overall, some concerns on the inflation side, and again, recent up move, which has triggered some profit booking, has put the market in some correction zones today. So similar trend is also expected in Indian market as well. I'll request technical team to take up from here.
Thank you, sir. Good morning, all of you. This is Swati. From last 1 week, we have seen a good bounce back rally into the Nifty from 15,180 towards 15,900 levels. But somehow Nifty is facing a strong resistance of 20 DMA, which comes to it around 15,980 levels. Yesterday, Nifty has just touched that level, almost near to that level, and witness a profit booking on a higher sides. As of now, 15,700 will act as a crucial support level. If it's break that level on the closing basis, then this selling pressure or say the profit booking is likely to take a Nifty on a downside towards 15,640 to 15,500 levels on the downside. Whereas on high side, 15,870 will be the first resistance level. Any more about that level, then only we can witness some sort of a pullback rally, which might take a Nifty towards 15,980 to 16,100 levels on the higher sides. The overall view will remain a cautious as long as Nifty stays below its 20 DMA, which is acting as a strong resistance levels. Coming towards the bank Nifty, in the bank Nifty also we witnessed yesterday a high of 34,180 levels, and from that level onwards we have witnessed a profit booking, which gives some sort of a cautious sign. Coming towards the support and resistance levels on the bank Nifty front, 33,500 will be the first support level. If it's break that level on the closing basis, then 33,250, 33,000 levels can be seen on the downside. Whereas on high side, 34,130 and 34,370 levels are the resistance levels. Coming towards the Nifty Finance, 15,430 and 15,500 are the two important resistance levels, whereas 15,300 and 15,200 are the crucial support levels. We need to keep eye on it on the Nifty Finance side. As of now, we are not initiating any buy or the sell call since it's a gap down opening. Let the market settle down at the support level, and as per the trend of the market, we will initiate a call for a day. That's it from my end. I request derivative guys to take a call forward.
Yeah, thank you, Swati. Good morning, everyone. So, as for derivative data front, we have witnessed in yesterday's trading session that in last 1 hour, the major sell-off got wipe off in the market. Currently, from the high, we have witnessed that almost 100 point Nifty came down. While as per the Y position, we are seeing that the Nifty is facing strong resistance between the range of 15,900 to 16,000 level. Once Nifty gets clearance above 15,950 level, then the next initial target would be 16,150 level on the front basis. Currently, we are seeing that the PCR yesterday closed at 1.03 level. So there is a 2 points at this point of time that once if Nifty gets a stable and gives a closing above 15,900 level, and at that point PCRO is also facing resistance at 1.15 level. So PCRO also gives closing at that point of time above 1.50 level. Then we might witness the positivity to we get in the market, because we are continuously seeing that the pullbacks which are coming in the markets are not getting stable, and from the pullback we are seeing that the selling is being witnessed from the higher level. So currently view would be the range bound till the Nifty is not going and crossing above 15,900 level on the closing basis. Currently we have witnessed that in yesterday's trading session, once the Nifty gave closing above 100 points, then to India VIX got increased by 2%. So India VIX is also trading above 18.5 level. So India VIX and PCROI, all the factors which we are seeing is seeming tells that let the market get stable above the crucial resistance level, then only we might witness some positive pullback in the market. Currently, the scenario for the market would be the range bound session. Once India VIX goes below 18.5 level, then we might expect the volatility to get decreased and stability to get increase in the market. So hold a long position with the support of 15,600 level. Currently, the range for the market would be 15,600 to 15,950 level. As per stock specific, we expect auto counters looks positive. From that, Maruti looks positive for next 1 to 2 trading session. Other counters like Voltas, Star, and Balrampur GNE. These three counters have witnessed a fresh short position in yesterday trading session. So keep watch on this counter. Thank you.
Good morning. Star Health, the leader in health insurance, and IDFC First Bank, both companies have entered into a strategic partnership where Star Health will offer its health insurance products to the bank's customers using the bank's digital platform and distribution network. This is sentimentally positive for both the companies. Sterling Tools, a subsidiary Sterling GTech e-mobility, which is a company that is supported by tie-up with a Chinese company, GTech. So they have the technology for motor control units. And in that particular segment, they have now, they were earlier only into electric two-wheelers. Now they have ventured into electric LCV segment as well. So this subsidiary has won an order from a commercial vehicle OEM. So as on date, they have a total of 10 customers. Most of them are from electric two-wheelers and one from commercial vehicles. Stock has already reacted before this news came out. In last couple of days, it was up 20%, but still on declines. If the market corrects, then this is a decent play on the EV evolution in the auto ancillary space, because apart from Sona, BLW, there is no other company which has a substantial revenue mix that is going to come from electric vehicles. It is expected that company has guided that 1/3 of the revenue for current year will be coming from electric vehicle segment. So that will keep the stock in the limelight for the next 1 or 2 years. That's it from my side. Thank you.
Good morning, everyone. Glenmark Pharma has announced that it is acquiring 4 approved ANDAs from Vocart in OTC space in US. So these are products like famotidine and cetirizine and all hydrochloride and lansoprazole. So these are the mature products, but in OTC space, Glenmark has presence and they want to strengthen their more their position in OTC. So this is marginal positive. We don't know yet the purchasing amount what the Glenmark is paying. So even if that is, we believe that this would expand the portfolio for Glenmark in OTC in US. So this is marginally positive for Glenmark. Thank you.
Yeah, apart from this, Brigade Enterprises has signed a joint development agreement for development of around 2.1 million square feet of area in Chennai. This is likely to generate revenue of over 1,500 crores over a period of next 5 years. So that will act as positive for Brigade Enterprises. Apart from that, what we are seeing in the steel sector is that the prices of coking coal and also the iron ore has declined substantially. So if we see coking coal prices has declined from $500 to $325 in last 3 months. That is from beginning of this quarter to end of this quarter. And also iron ore prices has declined from 8,000 to 4,500 rupees. But if we compare this with prices of HRC Bombay prices, then it has declined from 78,800 to 61,300. So if we calculate the gross contributions from these figures, then the companies which were making gross contribution of around 40,000 rupees at the beginning of this quarter is now making around 37,000 rupees at the end of this quarter. So even after substantial decline of raw material cost for steel, the gross contribution has declined by around 3,000 rupees. So in this quarter, specifically for the for the first quarter, company will have to face a lot of other problem also. That is, they will be having inventory of high cost coking coal and high cost iron ore, which will get used, and whereas the realization may not be of the higher prices, whatever they sell in the spot market. So that will reduce, that will have an even higher impact on the gross contributions for these companies. And apart from that, they might have to account for inventory loss also in this quarter. So overall, Q1 seems to be quite negative. And apart from that, if we talk about the thermal coal that is used for generation of power, there the prices are continue to remain high. That has not yet come down. So the thermal coal prices, which were at around $260, has moved up to $350. So power generation cost, so production of steel will continue to remain costly. So overall seems nothing positive is emerging up till now for the steel sectors. The scenario seems quite dicey, so quite possible towards the result, near the result period, we may see further corrections in the steel stock as well from here. So need to be careful in steel stock from this quarterly result perspective also. Okay, thank you very much, and have a good day.
Subscribe to our YouTube channel for in-depth interviews of India Inc. and press the bell icon so that you do not miss our updates.